Hey guys, I'm showing you this Oasis 64 gigs MP3 player with Bluetooth. So this is a MP4 story player, kids audio and music player, supports FM radio of high volume, have a built-in speaker, 4-inch touchscreen, ebook, micro SD card slot up to 512 GB. So I will just show you this one by one. So this is the manual. This is the charging cable. This is the MP4 player. So this is white in color. This is the USB-C charging port, micro SD slot, and when you just put it on the charging, so you can see that it started. So I just want to show that it started, and without the charging as well, like on the battery, it will start and go for 2-3 days. And as you can see here that it's not getting started, and till that I'm just showing you the manual. This have this screen, this is a touch screen, and you can see all the ebooks, music, videos and everything here. So you can also use the micro SD card that supports up to 512 gigs, and this have a 64 gigs inbuilt memory. This charging cable can also be used as a data cable that I will show you later on. And this also have a inbuilt speaker, photos, folders, like whatever you want to do with it. It's pretty nice that you can handle everything with it. And if you want, you can also use your Bluetooth thing, because this have a Bluetooth in it. And the manual is straightforward, that explains everything. This have a 2000 milliampere battery. So like if you charge it completely, you can go up to 5 hours of video playing. So this is the FM radio that you can use without even using your aux headphones. So that's pretty neat that you can use it without any other cable. So FM is pretty much good, and with the inbuilt speaker you can listen it here, and you don't need the wire for like a antenna or anything. So there is no wire for the antenna, and you can use it without any wire or antenna directly for the FM. Mhm.